It was a moonlit night in New Mexico. I walked along between summer and August. Suddenly I heard the plaintive cries of a young Mexican. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. You better come on, Speedy Gonzales, away from Tenerife. Someone to drive the rail. Well, then we'll see them flow. Come on up to your door. There's not a bar on the wall. No, light and turn down. There's no lady in the hall. Speedy Gonzales, right on the combo. Speedy Gonzales, how come you live all alone? Hey, Rosita, I have to put some ding-dong tongue for my mama. She needs some tonalas and chilies pepper. The road's gonna have you fucking. You're running over car. Don't let you down on the high rock. Rosita come quick, don't let the cantina, they give ringy, stay with the key.